Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Binance trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance app on your device, and once you open it up, just answer the first question and you will end up within the sign up page. From here, tap on the login button underneath, and now you can log in using either your email address or your phone number, and you can also continue with your Google account. Just enter your email address within the given box or your phone number and then click on next. You will then be prompted to enter your account password. Just type in your account password and then click on the next button. Now you will need to check your email address to find the verification code. So just check your inbox and you will find this code right away. You can then enter this code to verify your login, and now you will be taken into your existing account on Binance right away. And if your account is verified, you can now start making your trades and you can buy your desired crypto as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Binance application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.